So, when I'm using VS Code, I find myself often using the shift+cmd+g hotkey to open up the source control view. This lets me very quickly make commits, see the code I'm currently working on, diff it, that kind of stuff. However, I also recently came across this GitLab workflow extension, which I really want to use. The problem for me is that this kind of exists in the same headspace as the source control view anyway. They're both dealing with Git. And my brain is already so full of other hotkeys, I don't want to have to remember yet another one. So I had an idea. What if we take the existing hotkey, which you can find by running the open keyboard shortcuts.json command, and you can see here this definition is basically saying shift+cmd+g, then run this command, which focuses the view on the source control management view. What we can do here is we can add an extra clause to say, only run this command when the focused view is not already the source control view. And that alone doesn't really do anything. However, what this lets us do is add yet another command that uses exactly the same hotkey, but issues a different command. This one instead opens the GitLab workspace view. The difference here is the when clause. This only runs when the workbench for the source control management view is already focused. This means if I press shift+cmd+g, it will focus the source control view, but if I press it again, it will trigger the GitLab workflow view instead. If I press it again, it will go back and forth. Now I've only got one hotkey to remember, and my brain is saved that extra hotkey.